Hello. Today my topic is about stress and my response to how to make stress your friend by Kelly McConical on TED Talk. Stress is only negative if our mindset is on negative, but if we take it positive, then it can helpful for our daily life. It happens with everyone in the life, and it is natural. So that there are many ways that we can prevent us from the stress in our life, and we make our life better. I have an article about my bar examination. That was 2005. I was feeling very nervous and stressful about my exam. How can I pass the exam? And what the examiner going to ask me? My mind was not working that time, but I took deep breath and went inside the examination hall, and I gave the exam. In present time, I am also stressful because I have the family, kids, and I have the full-time job, and there is a lot of responsibility. And I am taking online class too, so I am still stressful. But I am managing this issue and doing something to avoid about the stress. The first thing I can do meditation for at least 5 to 20 minutes daily to avoid stress. Then I can do breath work to avoid the stress. I can do the breath work at least 5 to 10 minutes daily. And other preventive methods are like finding the relaxed way to the life, like going hiking, climbing, going playing something, studying, traveling, like that. And these methods are preventing me a lot from the stress, and it feel like me the better life. Then I can do everything in my life with positive mind. Thank you. Bye.